Hey there, future web developers, ready to dive into the exciting world of animation? Today we're going to create something super adorable, an animated cat. And guess what? We'll only be using HTML and CSS, no complex JavaScript needed. It's going to be a fun and easy journey, so let's get started. Creating animations might sound daunting, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. We're going to use basic HTML to build the structure of our cat, like drawing an outline. Then we'll add colors, shapes, and even movement with CSS. It's like magic, but with code. Get ready to unleash your creativity and learn some cool web development tricks along the way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own animated cat to show off to your friends. So, are you excited? I know I am. Let's jump right in and start building our furry friend. Before we start coding, let's take a sneak peek at our finished product. It's always good to have a goal in mind, right? Isn't it adorable? Look at those cute little ears and that sweet little face. Imagine it coming to life on your screen. That's exactly what we're going to achieve today. We'll start by building the basic shapes of the cat using HTML. Then we'll use CSS to add color, adjust the positioning, and most importantly, bring our cat to life with animation. This preview is just a glimpse of what's possible. Feel free to get creative and personalize your cat with different colors, sizes, and even animations. The only limit is your imagination. Now, are you ready to start building this cute kitty? Let's go. Let's start building our cat. Think of HTML as the skeleton of our animation. We'll use simple HTML elements to create the different parts of our cat's body. First, open up your favorite text editor and create a new HTML file. You can name it cat.html or something similar. Now inside the HTML file, type the following code. Don't worry too much about the code right now, we'll break it down. We've created a main container for our cat using. Inside, we have separate divs for the head, body, and tail. The head div further contains divs for the ears, face, and facial features. Save your HTML file and open it in a web browser. You won't see much yet because we haven't added any styling, but that's what we'll do next. Section 4. Styling your kitty. Now comes the fun part. Adding colors and shapes to our cat using CSS. Create a new file in the same folder as your HTML file and name it style.css. This is where we'll write our CSS rules. Let's start by giving our cat some basic styling. Paste the following code into your style.css file. CSS body, background color, #F0, F0, F0. Display flex, justify content center. Align item center, min height 100vh.cat, background color #FF, width 200px, height 150px, border radius 50%, 50%, 00, position relative. This code sets a light gray background for our page and centers our cat in the middle. We've given our cat a white background, a width and height, and rounded the top corners, using to make it look like a cat's head. Now let's add styles for the ears, face, eyes, nose, and mouth. We'll use different shades of gray and black to create a cute and simple look. CES, ear, add background color, #666, width 30px, height 40px, border radius 50%, 50%, 00, position absolute, top 15px, ear dot left, left 20px, ear dot right, right 20px. We've used absolute positioning to place the ears at the top of the head. We've also used classes left and right to position the ears on either side. Continue adding styles for the face, eyes, nose, and mouth using similar techniques. You can use circles, ovals, and other shapes to create the desired look for your cat. Remember, have fun and experiment. You can always go back and change the colors or shapes later. The most important thing is to see your cat coming to life. Section 5. Bringing your cat to life. Now it's time for the most exciting part, animating our cat. We'll use CSS keyframes to create a simple animation for the mouth, making it look like our cat is purring. Add the following code inside your style.cs file within the CSS block css.catface.mouth animation meow 1s infinite alternate at keyframes meow 0%, height 5px, 100%, height 10px. This code defines a keyframe animation named meow. The animation changes the height of the mouth div, making it bigger and smaller over time. We apply this animation to the mouth div and tell it to run infinitely, alternating directions, with a duration of 1 second per cycle. Save your files and refresh your browser. You should see your cat's mouth opening and closing, creating a cute purring effect. Congratulations! You've successfully created an animated cat using HTML and CSS. Feel free to experiment with different animation durations, timings, and properties to create other fun effects. Section 6. JavaScript for interactive fun. Optional. Want to take your cat animation a step further? Let's add some JavaScript to make our cat interactive. Add the following JavaScript code to the end of your HTML file right before the closing tag. This code selects our cat element and adds an event listener to it. Now, whenever you click on the cat, it will trigger an alert box that says, meow. This is just a simple example. You can explore more advanced JavaScript interactions like playing a meow sound, changing the cat's expression, or even making it move around the screen. Section 7. You did it! Give yourself a big pat on the back. You've just brought a cute animated cat to life using the power of HTML, CSS, and maybe even a sprinkle of JavaScript. You've learned how to structure elements, style them, and even animate them, creating a fun and engaging experience. Feel proud of your creation and don't be afraid to share it with the world. Post it online, show it to your friends, or even use it as a starting point for more complex animations. The world of web development is full of exciting possibilities, and this is just the beginning. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. And hey, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out my other videos on Traversy Media for more web development tips and tricks. Happy coding!